The Mack NR series was a heavy-duty 6x4 truck developed and produced in the 1940s by the American manufacturer Mack Trucks. It became one of the main workhorses of the British Army during the Second World War, providing reliable transportation for cargo, equipment, and tanks across long distances. Officially, in the United States Army, it was designated as Truck 10-ton 6x4 cargo with the G number G528. Each order in the series was assigned a unique number, ranging from NR1 to NR20, even if the differences between the models were minimal. The first order of NR trucks was placed in 1940 and included 90 units designated NR1. These vehicles were based on Mack's civilian models from the 1930s, but were reinforced for military use. The NR1 featured a solid radiator grille, additional roof protection over the cab to prevent overheating, and sturdy wooden cargo beds designed to carry a load of 10 tons, approximately 22,000 pounds. The trucks were intended for deployment in the Middle East and Far East, where rough terrain and long distances demanded high reliability. The engine of the NR series was a Mack-Lanova ED diesel unit, equipped with 6 cylinders and producing 131 horsepower. This power allowed the fully loaded truck to reach speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, about 31 miles per hour. The truck featured a 5-speed manual transmission, and its 6x4 configuration provided excellent traction and off-road performance. Fuel was carried in 2 side-mounted tanks, each holding 280 liters, approximately 75 gallons, giving the vehicle a practical range of 250 kilometers, around 155 miles, under normal conditions. Dimensions of the trucks varied slightly depending on the model, but the NR3, for example, measured 8.2 meters in length, 322.8 inches, 2.6 meters in width, 102.4 inches, and 2.5 meters in height, 98.4 inches. Its empty weight was around 9,300 kilograms, 20,500 pounds. Wheels were large, with front tires sized at 11.24 and rear tires at 14.20, providing excellent mobility over rough surfaces. The NR4 variant, designed specifically for transporting tanks, such as the M3 Stuart or Cruiser Mack II A10, featured a flat cargo floor, ramps, and a winch. Its empty weight reached approximately 11,700 kilograms, 25,800 pounds, and it could carry a payload up to 22,700 kilograms, 50,000 pounds. The production of the Mack NR was spread across multiple factories to meet wartime demand. Early models were supplied to support British forces in the Middle East, while later orders, such as NR-15, played a key role in transporting materials through Iran to supply the Soviet Union via the Persian Corridor. Overall, a total of 16,548 NR trucks were manufactured. Many units remained in service long after the war due to their robustness and high build quality. Over time, variations included changes to the cab design and wheel configurations. NR8 introduced an open cab with a canvas top, while NR14 featured dual rear wheels sized 11.0 to 24. The series saw continuous incremental improvements in transmission, suspension, and cargo capacity. Some units were later sold as surplus and adapted for civilian use, transporting goods, farm equipment, or converted into buses and fire engines. The Mack NR series exemplifies industrial coordination and engineering expertise during the Second World War. It not only provided vital logistical support, but also influenced the design of post-war heavy trucks. Surviving examples today can be found in museums and private collections, offering a tangible glimpse into the evolution of military transport vehicles and the role of standardized design in supporting large-scale operations. If you enjoyed learning about the Mack NR and want to explore more rare and historic military vehicles, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you do not miss our next story about fascinating machines from the past.